Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. So I'm going to give you an update here for August. August is almost over, but of the indoor garden experiment. Things have changed on it. This is the Roma tomato. A lot of the stuff was starting to die on it, so I pruned it off, and then I got a bunch of blossoms came out. And from those blossoms, I got 4 little ones starting here, and there's a couple other ones over on the other side here. There's another one back in there, some other ones. So it keeps on producing a little bit, but it's also starting to get all this new growth on it here. So we'll see what's going to happen on it, whether or not it's going to continue to grow, whether I'm going to wind up taking it out. The cucumbers, I've harvested 4 cucumbers so far, and I got one there getting about ready. This one here is coming along. Over here, got a couple more here that are starting to grow out there. So it's doing all right. Now the other one here, finally, after sitting there doing nothing, suddenly went poof in the last week, and the leaves just went bonkers. I've been inside it with these blossoms in here. I've been hand pollinating them to see if any of those will go. The onions down there doing so-so. I'm going to take the bucket outside and just leave it outside during the summertime to see how it goes during the summertime here, what's left of the summertime. We'll just see how it goes. Now over here, I've got, if I can get a good shot of it here, these are Hannah's Prize dwarf container tomatoes, indeterminate, red tomatoes with 4 to 5 inch tomatoes is what it said. So these are coming along. They finally germinated and are coming along. So I got one in a 5-gallon bucket and one in a 3.5-gallon bucket. And we'll see which size bucket they do better in. All right, so that's what's going on here indoors. One other thing here, I went and harvested all the rainbow chard. Got to cut a couple of the onions here, just still trying to go along. But I'm going to take that bucket outside as well. We'll see whether or not the rainbow chard will come back from the stock there. So that's what I got going on indoors. Let's go ahead and we're going to head outdoors and take a look at the stuff outdoors here. All right. Beautiful morning out here. It rained last night, but we also had a lot of wind, and we got, branches down out there. But here's what the containers are looking like out here. So some of the onions are doing really well. Others are kind of These are the red burgundy. The strawberries are just going nuts, sending out tons and tons of runners. So that's what's going on here on this. Now for the strawberries, when my wife was up here several weeks back, we went down to down the Blackfoot to the farmer's market down there and bought a 6-pack of strawberries. We had them planted in here for a couple weeks, but when this one here started going nuts and putting out all those runners, I transplanted them, and I'll show you those in a minute. Here are some more of the red burgundy here. And like on that one over there, I started adding some of the garden soil mix to it. So I'm going to be, getting more in here to bring it up, so I'll have a better chance of overwintering. Same thing here with the sweet yellow Spanish onions. They're doing a lot better than the red burgundies are. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh man, the wind just knocked that one over. Ooh, not good. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more stuff to it so they're not sticking up so far above the ground, so they can winter over. This is the bunching onions that I had indoors, brought them out here, and they're starting to do a lot better. So and I got a couple of the carrot seeds that didn't germinate before have germinated. And these are the pole beans my wife brought up, and they were just little itty bitty things when we planted them. And I'm gonna need to get out here and weed some more around it. But they're taking off, but I'm not seeing any blossoms on this at all yet. And so these are 3 of the those strawberries I transplanted over here. I pulled out all the Grand Rapids lettuce except for one. I'm letting this one here to keep on going. I want to get seeds from it, so I'm just going to get seeds once that harvests. Now over here, where I got the cantaloupe and cucumbers, we'll start down at this end here. Got one of the volunteer sunflowers that came up. Got one cantaloupe right there. I need to get more out here and do more weeding again. Got another one, little cantaloupe in there going. And go and get this weed here out of there. A couple of these out right now. And see, I thought I had more cantaloupes down here. Got one there. Got another one back over there. And should be some others. Got a nice one here. Another one there. There were several other smaller ones. I just don't see them. Must be hiding down amongst the foliage here. But yeah, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cantaloupes that I can see right now. 8. There's another cantaloupe there. Another sunflower here doing good. Oh, I got a cucumber outdoors. Amazing. All right, so I got one cucumber out here. Any others down here on this plant here? No. Yep, there's another one down there. So got a couple cucumbers here on that one. There may be some ones on the other ones. And I started getting some of these to train up. There's one of the strawberries I transplanted over here. And this one here is got sunflower. Oh, actually got a sunflower that has opened up. So we got a whole bunch more that are going to open up here. And then, oh, got another cucumber down here. And another cucumber down in here. 2 cucumbers down in there. So I'm getting some cucumbers here. But we're going to see how well this keeps on going here. And that's the extent of my garden, which I wasn't going to do hardly anything on at all this year, and I just keep on adding just a little bit to it. So anyways, that's what's going on here as we trying to get the place here fixed up for retirement. All right, so before I take off, you might want to take a look at this video right over here. I'm going to pop one up right over here, and we'll see you around. Take care.